Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Web. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Web, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn about a framework, LWC, Apex Class Trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In the previous lesson, we have learned how to write a validation rule on lead object to check number of employee field is mandatory before change the rating as a warm in Salesforce. So in the previous lesson, we have check rating field as a warm, and if number of employee field is blank, then we are displaying error message through validation rule. In the next lesson, we will be learn how to write a validation rule on lead to check mobile will not take only numeric value, don't accept text type in Salesforce. So in the next lesson, we will learn how to write a validation rule on lead to check mobile. Mobile will take only numeric, not accept text type. So this scenario will be achieved through validation rule. So now let me share my screen where will we see live demo scenario. In this lesson, we will be learn how to write a validation rule on lead object to check mobile will take only numeric value. Don't accept text type in Salesforce. So friends, in this lesson, we will be check mobile field. If any type of text value enter in mobile field, then before save the record, we will be display error message through validation rule. So friends, in this lesson, we will be write a validation rule on mobile, and here will be check only numeric value will be allowed. If any type of value enter text type, so before save the record, we will be display error message. Don't allow text value in mobile field. So here will be display error message through validation rule. So friends, find the below screenshot the live demo scenario on validation rule. Here I will be write a validation rule on lead object. So here I am selecting lead. Then here you can see here I open one record of lead. So there is a field mobile. If I putting text value in mobile field and try to save the record, the validation rule will be applied and it will be display error message. Here you can see I am putting text value as a Vijay and try to save the record. Validation rule apply and here I am displaying error message like mobile will take only numeric value. So if I putting number type value in mobile, then it will not display error. But if you putting any type of text type value and trying to save the record, it will be display error message. So this scenario will be achieved through validation rule in Salesforce. So now let me jump to my Salesforce or where will we see live demo scenario. How to write validation rule only number type value except in mobile. So now let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential org. First go to the gear icon, click on the setup. You will be jump on the home page, then go on the object manager. Here will be find quick find. So here I am writing a validation rule on lead. So here will be search lead. Click here. In the left sidebar on the bottom, you will be get validation rule. Click on the validation rule. Then you will be go on the next page. In the next page, first you need to write a validation rule name. Mobile only numeric value validation. So this validation I am writing for mobile. So mobile only accept numeric type, not a text type. After that, active should be checked. Here I am writing a description. Mobile will take only numeric value. So write a rule name, then check marks the active, then description, then go down. Here I will be write a condition. So will be write a formula. Based on the formula condition, will be display error message through validation rule in Salesforce. So friends, before writing a condition, let me go on the record of lead. Let me check a scenario. It is one of the record of lead. There is a mobile field. This is a mobile field. If user trying to put any type of the value as a text and try to save the record, this is not acceptable. It will be throw error message through validation rule. So this scenario will be achieved through validation rule. So now let me jump to my validation rule where we write a condition. So first I write a if condition. In the right sidebar function, select if, then inside selected function. Inside the if condition, I will be check mobile field. So as per the scenario, mobile should be only acceptable, numeric, not a text type. So here I will be use field name first. First I will be insert field name. So lead mobile not equal to. So not equal to should be used this type. So in the validation rule, we can apply not equal to this type, not equal to blank and comma. I am applying note function. So here I will be applying note function to only check only put a number type value. So here I am applying note function. So in the right side part, I am selecting note. This one insert selected function. Inside the note function, I will be apply each only numeric value. So each number, this one, each number, select each number selected function, and inside the each number function, I will pass a field name. So field name will be check mobile. So here I will be pass insert field mobile. So here I am checking mobile phone. Then put comma and I will pass false. After that, now let me check syntax error. You can see not error found. So you can see first I apply if condition. Inside the if condition, I use a field name not equal to blank, comma. Then I apply not function. Then I apply not, and inside the not condition, I am using each number. Each number I am checking. This field only allow only number, not a text. Then inside the each number, I am passing a field name, and at the end I am passing false. Then I am checking syntax error, not found any type of error. Then go down, and this is a error message. So error message, that message that you want to display below the field. So here I am passing the message. Mobile will take only numeric value. So friends, mobile will take only numeric value. That means if user putting any type of the text type in mobile field, it will be display error during saving the record. After that, go error location. In the error location, there are two type of the field, top on the page and field. So where you want to display error message, on the top of the page or on the field. Here I am displaying below the field. So here I am selecting field name mobile. So this is a field name where I want to display error message. So first I write a logic here, then I write a error message, then I put a error location, then I am saving the validation rule. Validation rule has been saved successfully. Now let me go on the lead object. I open one lead of record. So friends, now let me open one lead of record. Let me open Vijay Take W3 Wave. This is a one record of lead. Now let me edit the record, and there is a mobile field. So as per the scenario, if I putting any type of text message in this field before saving the record, it will be display error message through validation rule. Let me put my name Vijay and try to save the record. You can see mobile will take only numeric values. So this message coming from validation rule. If I putting number type value, so now let me put number type value in mobile. So I am putting number type mobile value. Now let me save the record. You can see record has been saved successfully. But if I putting text type value in mobile, it is a display error through validation rule. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal org. If you getting any kind of issue, please write in comment box. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search TechW3 Wave, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.